you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support. What's going on, man?
What's happening, bro?
I didn't know if you were demoing or not.
I was trying to go get something to eat.
I'm glad I caught you before you got going, man. I ain't gonna hold you long. Oh, you got it looking real good back there, man. What you running here, man?
4 XV2 12 D4s on a JP83.
I see you got them hexagons back there.
Yeah, I got those the day they come out. Let's see, what we gonna do today? We'll do a little showdown.
Okay.
way through on it, man. All the way through.
Man, it sounds good and clean, man.
I just ain't gave it time for the battery to charge up 15.7, so I had to keep the whole
I was staying up pretty good though.
Yeah.
Where can I find you on social media, man?
I'm up there with Lee White, with SIDB, David Cooking.
Oh yeah. I know you're talking about.
All these are my teammates.
I know y'all out here pretty deep today. yeah. It was good seeing you, man.
You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.